ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream developed with the revolutionary padina pavonica. This luxury, moisture-rich night cream is clinically proven to help increase oxygen levels in the skin and assist the skin's natural regeneration process. After 28 days usage, the skin's oxygen levels are increased by up to 41%, to help accelerate dermal respiration. Containing laminaria digitata and red coral, the telltale signs of premature aging are delayed, whilst the skin's natural collagen network is supported, helping to promote skin elasticity and hydration. ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream for all skin types. In the morning the skin is left regenerated, smooth and with increased elasticity. This luxury, moisture-rich night cream is clinically proven to help increase oxygen levels in the skin, helping to promote skin elasticity and hydration. Breathe new life into your skin with ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. Uses the combined power of 3 marine extracts, padina pavonica, laminaria digitata and red coral, that increase oxygen levels in the skin. In the morning the skin is left regenerated, smooth and with increased elasticity. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.